MV Agusta introduces the new Superveloce 1000 Serie Oro 2023, a neo-retro hypersport produced in a limited series. The new Superveloce 1000 Serie Oro 2023 uses a frame, single-sided arms, suspension and an inline 4-cylinder engine. 998cc inline 4-cylinder engine, which is capable of producing 208 HP at 13,000 revolutions per minute, 212 horsepower with racing kit, and with a peak torque of 116.5 Nm at 11,000 revolutions per minute. 4-cylinder engine equipped with a countershaft. The entire exhaust system has been modified, with the iconic 4 exhausts under the tail. Superveloce 1000 Serie Oro electronic package, starting from the AQMAP. MVAS 3.0 electronically assisted shift up and down, electronic gearbox adjustment. Cornering Continental MK100 ABS system with RLM rear wheel lift-up mitigation. The frame remains a tubular trellis in chromium molybdenum steel and is combined with an aluminum swing arm. Suspension Öhlins NIC with tin surface treatment, fully adjustable with electronic management. Electronically controlled Öhlins monoshock ECTTX model. The braking system uses Brembo-style monoblock radial calipers and 320mm discs at the front and 220mm steel discs at the rear with 2-piston Brembo calipers. The wheel rims, in forged aluminum alloy, are designed by CRC exclusively. 17-inch star model wheels and wrapped in 120/70ths and 255ths tires. The tank is 16 liters, the saddle height is 845 mm above the ground, the dry weight is 194 kg.